Welcome back, Mozi Nation. I'm Israel. I'm a CPA entrepreneur. I have a master's in both business and accounting, but none of that matters. What I'm here to talk to you about today is I get to meet Alex Hormozi next week, October 21st on a Tuesday. And guys, let me tell you, I'm obviously very excited, but I'm also getting really nervous. Now you're probably wondering, why would I be nervous about going to meet Alex Hormozi? And the number one reason is he has no idea that I'm also the founder of the school community, Alex Hormozi School. And I'll show you guys everything about this community in a little bit, but let me tell you why I'm a little nervous. For any of you guys watching this video, I want to make it very clear that my school community, Alex Hormozi School, is ran by me, like only me, and also other small business owners. This community is only filled with entrepreneurs, small business owners, myself. Alex Hormozi himself is not running this community. This community is not owned or founded by him. It's founded by me. It's essentially just a bunch of Alex Hormozi fans or people who really love consuming his content and using his content, his books, his education to scale and grow their businesses. And we get the collective minds of all those people here in this community that I created. Now, what is so awkward is that next week on Tuesday, I had to look Alex Hormozi himself in the face. He's going to ask me, hey man, glad you're here. What business do you have? Now, I don't know if he's expecting me to say, hey, I'm a CPA. I have an accounting firm. I have a tax practice. Whatever it is, he's probably not going to be expecting for me to say, I have a school community. And he's going to be like, awesome. Over what? Accounting? Taxes? Just what is your school community about? And I have to tell him, well, you. My school community is all about all of your content, all of your strategies, all of your advice. Everything that you have put out, I have curated and tailored it so everyone in this community can learn what they need to apply to their business, whether it's $100 million leads or $100 million money models, just something so tailored that they know exactly what they need to do. Which, if you're a small business owner, I would definitely advise you guys to check out this community, Alex Hormozi School. But I guess what I'm getting at is, will Alex Hormozi be upset that I have a community that literally has his name in it? Alex Hormozi School. I don't know if he's going to sue me. I don't know if he's going to tell me, yo, you need to take this down. Now, have I directly asked his permission on this? Not necessarily. I've had this community for a while now, way before I learned I was going to meet Alex Hormozi in Las Vegas. And I put so many disclaimers within my community, on my YouTube channel, every single video, everything I post, I made it very clear that Alex Hormozi does not run this community. But of course, let's not sugarcoat it. It's literally called Alex Hormozi School. The website's alexhormozischool.com, and everything in it is tailored around all of his business advice. Now, I know legally I'm in the clear because, one, I'm not slandering him. I am not reselling or redistributing any of his content. Everything I have in here is linked to his website, to his books, to his courses. I am not stealing anything of his and reselling it to others. Now, at the time of you watching this video, to get in this community, as of right now, it is free. But at some point, the intention is to, of course, grow this community big enough and make it valuable enough to where I can start charging for it. And I'm going to have to explain that to Alex. But overall, I'm sure you can understand my concern of telling someone, a grown man to his face, that, hey, my business is essentially circled around you, Layla Hormozi, acquisition.com. But it's all within a mission to grow your brand, but to make sure that business education is accessible to everyone. Because we all know Alex Hormozi has a ton of content out there, like obviously his Instagram, his YouTube channel. But one thing that I find out a lot of entrepreneurs struggle with is just having to dig through all of his podcasts, all of his interviews, all of his videos to kind of find exactly what they need to do for their business. What I did was I essentially condensed everything within this community, and I guess I'll show you now. So I'll show you guys exactly what is inside this community and why I think it's amazing, and why I think every entrepreneur or business owner would benefit being in this community. So definitely check it out while you still can. Who knows if it gets taken down by Alex. But let me just show you. So as of right now, we have 816 members in this community. So within, I have a bunch of different tabs. I have $100 million leads. Basically, any questions you have about how to get more customers, you just post in here. And anything else related to business or anything else you want to talk about, whether it's about Alex Hormozi, whether it's about motivation, whatever it is, you just post here in the discussion. And we have a lot of different discussions. A lot of these posts are essentially different business owners asking questions about how to grow their business and like very specific questions, right? Whether it's their marketing, whether it's their sales, whether it's hiring, they can post in here. Now we have the fun tabs. We still like to keep things light and fun. So if you have something funny to show, whether it's a funny meme or anything, you can definitely just post it in here. This is my personal favorite wins. Like this is all the successes that people have been getting by being in this community. I definitely incentivize anyone that anytime you have a breakthrough in your business to just post it in here. That way everyone else can see that, yeah, this really, really works. So I absolutely love this. You have all the wins. The jobs tab, this is kind of a interesting one. Basically, if you're hiring anything for your business, especially any type of remote work, what better place to find hired work than other people who are like-minded like you? Essentially, wouldn't you rather hire someone who also knows all about Alex Hormozi, who hopefully also shares his ethics, his morals, his character? That's kind of why I created this tab. And of course, Alex Hormozi launched his third book, $100 Million Money Models. Now, you cannot post in here, and that's because I created a second community all about $100 Million Money Models. That is my premium community, and I'll show you that later. But the most important thing I think for you guys is definitely the tab of $100 million leads. How do you get more customers? How do you get more people showing up to your business and actually wanting to buy from you? The discussion tab where we just talk about everything and anything. And the biggest value as of right now, aside from everyone else in this community, is over here in the classroom tab. So as soon as you join, I want you guys to get onboarded and make you feel welcome, make you feel introduced into the community. And I think the most valuable thing in here is this 30-day business growth path. Like I worked so hard on this to build this out for you guys. And essentially, if you guys were to do all these 30 days, you guys will essentially just transform your business. Wherever point your business is at now, within 30 days, you could just massively grow it. And I tell you what to do literally every single day. So if you just do exactly what I tell you to do, and everything in here is backed by Alex Hormozi, a lot of his stuff are portions of a book you need to read written by him, videos you need to watch by Alex Hormozi. It's just, I tell you what to do every single day, and I have like different checkpoints on different days. It's just an amazing feature for you to have to grow your business within 30 days. Once again, as of right now, it is free, but it won't be free forever. So if you're seeing this video, get in. Even if you do see this video and there is some type of price tag attached to it, I promise you guys it's worth it. No matter what I price this at, the value you will get from this for your business will just be astronomical. So if you're a business owner or entrepreneur or want to start your own business or want to start your own school community and want to start your own online business, this is definitely the community for you, and especially if you love Alex Hormozi. Now, everything I just explained to you, I need to explain to Alex Hormozi in Las Vegas, and we're going to see whether he just tells me to shut this all down, or maybe he's just really proud of what I'm trying to do for Hormozi Nation. Maybe he'll understand the vision. I hope that he does, but I'll definitely let you guys know how all that goes. Alex, if you're somehow seeing this video before I even meet you next week, I hope you understand what I'm trying to do here. I by no means want to insult your name or anything associated with you. This is all positive. This is all good stuff for Hormozi Nation. I hope it all works out. I'll let you guys know how everything goes next week. Be sure to check this community. I'll have the links down in the description, down in the pinned comment. See you guys.